Hi GIMP class, this is just a quick video response to someone that was having a bit of trouble using this tool here. It's the Foreground Color Select tool. So you can select a foreground image and cut that out of a photograph. So once you've got that clicked, you just roughly go around the image, whether it's a flower or anything else. Join it up. Okay, it goes a bluey color. Then, without touching anything else, you just paint the flower. The different colors of the flower that you think you're going to need to be taken care of. I'll try and just get the pinks and the whites, and don't have to be too accurate with this at all. It's pretty smart at picking everything up. I'm probably doing it a bit too much. I don't want to go over. Might go down to that darker one. But yeah, just quickly, I think we've got it all. Let go. Okay, perfect. We've cut that flower out. Okay, but the next step that some people forget is to hit the enter key or the return key on your keyboard. So if I do that now, you can see that that flower, by all the little marching ants around it, has been selected from that simple process we just did. Now, what I'm going to do, just to show you that worked, is just go to edit cut, and we've cut the flower out. Okay, so let's put that flower onto a different background. We'll get rid of that by going down to the trash can, getting rid of it. We'll make a new window, a new image window, and we could leave it as white, or we could go red, and then here we could go green for the bottom color. And then we could use this gradient tool to make our how it makes a gradient between the two different colors that we used, instead of just using the bucket to put red, white, black, blue, orange, brindle. It's kind of neat to sometimes use the gradients here, using two different colors, and just the way I did it there. Okay, so now now that I've got that there, I'm going to drop the flower onto it. And also, while it's still selected, I'm going to use the scale tool to just I'll make sure they're connected. Yep, just so that the X and Y's both scale the same. Make a small flower out of it and scale. Okay, now I'm going to copy it again. I suppose I should have used different flowers. Copy it again, and I'm going to paste it again. And that pasted layer up there, I always prefer to go down here and click on that new layer, which puts that extra flower on the new layer. Go back to our move tool, and we can move that second flower up there somewhere. You can also rotate these things while they're selected. Hang on, cancel, rotate. Yeah, rotate. And we'll just rotate that a little bit for fun. Maybe a bit too much. Okay, I'm trying to make this video very quick, so now I will just add some text. Not using this text tool, this that we often use, and it's often very useful, but a different one. Go to File, Create, Logos, And let's try the first one, 3D outline. You might have to click down here to get it to come up. Yep, 3D outline. Now, the text color is going to be, you can change it into one of these. I think I'll use green. Close. And the text that we want to put in, I think might just be. I'll just put Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Okay, don't worry too much about all these other options here. Okay, there's our Merry Christmas. Now I'm going to merge the whole. I'm going to go to Image and flatten images. Okay, now I'm going to copy, go over to here, and I'm going to edit, paste, and I'll put it on its own by clicking that again, that bottom create new layer. I put it on its own layer so that we can move it around with this move tool. You gotta select the move tool, move it down, Merry Christmas. And another thing we could do would be, seeing that's so white, we could probably try using our color picker, which is that. We could pick a color such as, it's not, hang on. First I'm going to merge all these down. Image, merge visible layers, merge. Okay, it's all merged into one. Now I'm going to select whatever color. You can see over here in this box here, every time if I click green, it goes green. If I click the flower, it goes pink. I think I want this white to be a slightly greeny color. As you can see, it's gone greeny. Now if I use the bucket tool and I just select on the white, yeah, it's just gone, and maybe in there, and in there, keep clicking in there where you want that new color. And yeah, that's just another way of making an image. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks.